In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Reviews widget to your website. We'll be going through the steps to connect your Google My Business account and then customize the widget to fit your style and needs. It's a simple process, but taking the time to set it up correctly can do wonders for your online credibility and attract more clients. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Firstly, you'll want to ensure you have access to the Google My Business account that you're planning to connect to your website. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. This is important since you'll need them to fetch your business reviews directly from Google, providing fresh and authentic feedback to your website visitors. Once you're logged into your Google My Business account, navigate to the settings where you can generate an API key. This key is an essential component that allows you to safely and securely import your reviews from Google into the widget. Treat this key like a password, keep it secure, and don't share it freely. Now that you've got your API key, it's time to get the actual Google Reviews widget. You can find several reputable widget providers by performing a quick online search. Choose a widget provider that fits your budget and offers the functionality you need. Once you've chosen your provider, go ahead and download or embed the widget code into your website. It should be added to the area of the site where you want your reviews to be visible. This is often the home page or a dedicated testimonials page, and some websites even place them in a sidebar for maximum exposure. After integrating the widget, the next step is to connect it with the Google My Business API key that you generated earlier. This connection ensures that all your latest reviews are fetched and displayed dynamically on your site. This is crucial for keeping your content relevant and up to date, which in turn boosts visitor trust and confidence. Follow the instructions provided by your widget provider to link the API key successfully. Usually this involves entering the API key into the widget's settings panel. Finally, let's make sure your widget looks and feels like it's part of your site. Customization is key here. Most widgets come with various styles and settings that you can tweak. Consider adjusting the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand's design or the specific look of your website. Pay attention to the size and positioning of the widget as well. You want it to be noticeable without overwhelming the rest of your site's content. There you have it. Adding a Google Reviews widget is not only an effective way to showcase positive feedback, but also a means to enhance your site's engagement and trustworthiness. By successfully connecting Google My Business and customizing the display,